Hello, SaaS Mantra family. I'm Raoul from Calipio, and today I want to show you what greatness lies in a screen recorder, especially if it's Calipio. Calipio is, as I already stated, an online screen recorder. It's extremely simple and easy to be used. It has two very distinctive USPs. First is there is no installation needed, no download of software, no application, not even a Chrome extension. You just use it online. Second is, and what's equally important is that all recordings are end-to-end encrypted. So it's privacy and data security of utmost importance here. So just to demonstrate you how easy it is to be used, go on calipio.com. You see three distinctive buttons: record screen, screen and microphone, screen, microphone and camera. Just click on it. The recorder application opens. You just have to allow to use your screen recording and camera, microphone, and that's it. You just have to click on the record button and you are done. When you had finished on your recording, it comes to your library where you can find it, edit it, export it, share it with others, have collaborators, put it in subfolders, publish with your CNAME. So there is a lot of features that comes with Calipio, but you have to check out the other video on the SaaS Mantra webpage for all those features. What I want to show you now is what you can do with Calipio as a business, for instance. So at first, just think you are an IT company, you work in IT support. Your customers usually call you or write endless emails. You answer with endless emails. Nobody understands. It's very hard to explain what's going on the screen. Other than you take use of the Calipio SDK, which you can see here. It just is a tiny button on your webpage. And if you click or let your customers click on that button, the recording application opens. Your customers can record your screen, their screen, of course, say what their issue is, and just by one click send the link to you. It's stored in your cloud, of course, in the Calipio cloud. You answer with the Calipio again, show what the customer's problem or issue was, how to solve it, how to overcome it, and everything is good, and you save endless time. Another idea of use cases is, for instance, you are a software developer and you're sitting within tons of code going up and down, and you just cannot find out what's wrong. You could explain it, you could make screenshots, you could share it, which might be a bit strange in some places, or you can just record your screen, go through what you have done here, show what's not working, and send it to a colleague, to a collaborator, wherever he's on the globe. It's just a link to the cloud recording. It's not a big file, very easily done. Another thing is, for instance, you are online, you run an online shop, and you have customer care. For instance, you have a client who complains in written emails that the new headphones he has bought is hurting on his nose. You are like, how is that possible? And with the Calipio online screen recorder, he just makes a recording and shows you what his issue is. You immediately see that there is something wrong, which you probably wouldn't have been able to do so quickly if he had written emails stating just that the headphones are hurting on his nose. So again, a very easy and quick chance of implementing Calipio screen recordings to improve your business. But you can, of course, start a new business with Calipio. For instance, you want to do web design or consulting web pages. You find an online shop, another online shop, and you say, sir, there is room for improvement. I would rather go for a better or more clear menu on the left, maybe a bit more space in between. And you can just show it by clicking around. You can show the issues which are on that page and where is room for improvement, and send it to your potential client, again, just as a link, no big file. So he just has to click on that link and sees your suggestions, your recommendations, and even probably a new presentation of your idea and a proposal or whatever. So if you're finally totally convinced of that wonderful and great product, we encourage you to check out the really awesome Black Friday deal on SaaS Market. Thanks a lot for watching. See you. Bye-bye.